Let's take a look at the OctoPrint settings. Go up to the wrench icon in the nav bar, and you'll get the OctoPrint setting panel. Generally speaking, you shouldn't need to change anything in the serial connection tab. However, some users may want to change the temperature interval while printing or while a target temperature is set to change how often the temperature graph updates. The MakerGear M3 printing profile is pre-configured and shouldn't need to be changed. The graph cutoff time and temperature presets can be changed to your liking. Terminal filters and G-code scripts can be changed by advanced users for specific functionality. In the Features tab, you can enable or disable different support, such as the temperature graph, confirming canceling a print, keyboard control, and more. Webcam and time-lapse will allow you to change specifics for connecting a webcam to your MakerGear M3. Access control lets you control the security for your printer. Here you can add users as well as change users by clicking on the pencil icon. You can change if the user is active or an administrator. You can use the key icon to change the password for existing users. The G-code visualizer tab will allow you to enable or disable the visualizer as well as change the default size limits. The API is a means for other programs to interact with OctoPrint. There are a variety of mobile applications and some desktop software that has the ability to use this feature. You should generate a new key if you intend to use this feature. The server settings should not be changed without a very good understanding of what each one does. These are the commands that are called from the Power menu: Shutdown System, Reboot System, and Restart OctoPrint. The Folders tab shows the location on the server where files are stored. Changing these may lead to stranded files or create other problems, but these paths can be very useful for custom development. The Logs tab will show you several different logs which can be very useful for debugging problems with your printer. Be ready to include logs if you start a ticket with our support department. Logs should not take up much space, but feel free to delete old ones if you're running low on disk space. The Plugin Manage is where the beauty of OctoPrint being a community-driven platform really shines. Check our forum posts for recommended plugins to add more functionality to your printer. The plugins installed by us in the factory are essential to the setup and operation of your printer. Take the time to read the description of the functions before disabling or uninstalling any of them. The Software Update tab shows you the current version of OctoPrint as well as the version of any plugins that support software update. Certain plugins will also have their own settings panel, such as Kira Engine, MakerGear Setup, and Network Connection.